Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got another freebie for you all that's worthy to be downloaded in the Game Manager store. Now, I don't know how long this is going to be free, so you got to go download ASAP because you know how it goes. Free can become paid very quickly. Now, I thought the developer did an awesome job on this one. I'm surprised that it's free. Now, the name of the watch face is called New Synergia 3 Gear. Has a very nice look. It's an analog/digital watch face. In AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look. You're going to be able to see an analog time at a glance with no problem. But let's have a closer look at this watch face. Now, if you look at it, I like the theme, I like the dark background, and I do like the smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Now you're going to get all your important info, battery, steps. You got your digital time down at the bottom as well. Miles walked or ran, you're going to get your heart rate, and you're also going to get the day of the week and your date. So this is truly a good look. This one here, I think I could wear super casual. So Vince, OZ, Jackie, hit me in the comment section below. Adrian, let me know how you would play this watch face on any given day. All right, with that being said, the watch face is interactive as well. So if I single tap, I can go around the board, get my information so far as my steps is concerned. I can come down, I can make a phone call as well. I come over here, I can go into my settings, tweak my watch. But if I tap down here on the 6, I can set a favorite, choose whichever one I want to set. I got 2 of them that I can play with. Got another one right there if you tap on the 9. So I thought this was definitely a good look for a watch face that's free, and it's a super casual watch face as well. Now if I double tap on the center, check this out. This is a beautiful look, people. Let's go through them all. That's a nice color. That one's nice. Depending on what you want for the day, it should match up with almost, and I do say almost, any color you have on. This is nice. I like this one. Now, if you were able to change the hands, that would have even been better, but the look is still good. But what do you think, people? Hit me in the comment section down below. You know I would love to know your thoughts on this one, and download right now. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Just trying to get you set up for the weekend. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.